Kwik-Way, the world's leading brand of automotive brake service and machine shop equipment, provided the industry's first disc lathe for on-the-car machining of brake rotors. Today, Kwik lathes are used by more mechanics and brake shops than any other on-the-car lathe. It's this field-proven performance that has made the Kwik lathe the industry's machine of choice. Plus, the Kwik lathe is designed, engineered, and manufactured in the heartland of the United States. That's right, American-made for unmatched accuracy, stability, and versatility, which makes it the finest, most reliable unit on the market today. The Kwik lathe allows fast, easy rotor resurfacing on domestic and import cars and light trucks. It offers the advantage of on-the-car machining for accuracy, increased labor savings, and higher profitability. The tedious process of removing and installing difficult rotors, inboard-mounted rotors, and special pressed-on rotors is eliminated. Brake jobs are simplified, even on the most difficult front-wheel drive cars and light trucks. The Kwik lathe provides a precision finish that eliminates warpage and runout at 1/3 the cost of standard disc lathes. The power feed allows a smooth, even automatic feed of the tool bit across the face of the rotor. The rugged fixture easily mounts in place of the caliper for absolute dead-on accuracy. Resurfacing is performed quickly without flexing or deflection for a smooth, parallel finish. Rotors are machined on the car in as little as 10 minutes each, saving valuable time and money. Although the Kwik lathe can be used with the vehicle's engine and driveline engaged to power the rotor, an optional power drive system provides a constant speed to assure a smooth finish. It offers the advantage of direct control, providing a safer, faster, more convenient operation. It also eliminates the problems of controlling exhaust gases and engine overheating. There is no climbing in and out of the vehicle or danger of engine surges or other variables that could have a negative effect on the Kwik lathe's performance. The Kwik lathe power drive system is truly the most efficient way to provide power for fast, accurate rotor turning. One of the newest adapters in Kwik-Way's line of easy tools is the Quick Mount adapter for the Kwik lathe. This easy-to-use, lightweight adapter fits in the palm of your hand to provide a fast and accurate means of aligning the lathe's mounting links prior to installation of the lathe itself. When the alignment is complete, simply remove the adapter and mount the Kwik lathe in its place. This adapter is now part of the standard equipment package on all new Kwik lathes and can be purchased separately to update any existing lathes in the field. So whatever the vehicle application, the Kwik lathe can get the job done in less time, allowing higher profits. The following instructions illustrate the proper methods of tool installation and operation. Be sure to review the instruction manual before operating the Kwik lathe and follow all of the safety precautions as outlined in the manual. The first step is to raise the vehicle and support it on adequate stands or a hoist. Never use bumper jacks or temporary supports. Next, remove the caliper from the brake assembly and hang it out of the way. A caliper hook is supplied for this purpose. After both wheels are removed, reinstall the lug nuts to hold the rotor securely in place. Torque the lug nuts to the shop manual specifications. Also install a stud guard or protective band over the studs or lug nuts to prevent any articles of clothing from catching on them. Scrape the caliper mounting surface clean. If the rotor has rust and scaling, use a wire brush to remove it. Failure to have a smooth mounting surface could result in misalignment of the links. All wheel bearings should be inspected for excessive play and adjusted or replaced if necessary. Before continuing, refer to the appropriate service manual for the minimum rotor thickness specifications. If the rotor is below specification, it must be replaced. Micrometers are available from Kwik-Way. Examine the caliper mounting adapter and hardware that are furnished with the Kwik lathe. Now install the vibration dampener. The clips can be used to aid in the installation. However, be sure to remove the clips after the dampener is installed on the rotor. Mount the links on the caliper mounting bracket. The mounting link with slot should be on the top side of the bracket. Tighten the links slightly. Use of the Quick Mount adapter simplifies the lathe setup and proper alignment of the mounting links. Install the Quick Mount adapter to the mounting links. Position the alignment pointer to the center line of the hub and lock the mounting links in place. When the alignment is complete and the mounting links are securely locked in place, simply remove the Quick Mount adapter and install the Kwik lathe in its place. The tool bits are now in proper alignment to the rotor and spindle assembly. If the tool bed was removed, reinstall it, making sure that the bits are in the correct position. This is also a good time to examine the bits for signs of wear or damage. If the cutting edge is pitted, burned, or cratered, rotate the bit to the next cutting edge. When all three cutting edges are worn, replace with a new tool bit. And center the tool holder so the rotor is in the center of the slot in the tool holder base. Then securely lock it in place. Caution, it is possible to install the tool bed incorrectly. Be sure that the tool bits are positioned so the rotor being serviced rotates into the cutting edge of the tool bit. Also be sure that the tool bed does not contact any obstruction when it is in the fully extended position. It should not touch the raised center portion of the hub. Turn the hand wheel so that the tool bits are at the center of the rotor. An optional power drive system is available to rotate the rotors without having to run the vehicle's engine. Details on the Kwik-Lathe power drive system can be found in the instruction manual, or operational information is outlined in the following sections of this tape. Should a power drive system not be used, the vehicle's engine will be used as the power supply. Refer to the instruction manual for detailed instructions. To eliminate the variables that can adversely affect the performance of the machine operation, it is highly recommended that a Kwik-Way power drive system be utilized. Some initial assembly of the power drive is required to make it operational. Consult the instruction manual for these one-time assembly instructions. The Kwik-Lathe should be installed and ready for machining prior to adding the power drive. To begin, place the hub driver assembly on a selected lug bolt and secure using a lug nut. However, do not tighten the lug nut and make sure that the flat side of the nut is contacting the hub driver. Rotate the hub so that the lug that has the hub driver attached is at the bottom. Now slide the hub driver assembly up until it contacts the bearing housing portion of the hub. Now tighten the lug nut. The adjustable hub drive shaft should then be moved up or down until the shaft is near the center line of the hub. Move the power drive into the approximate operating location and raise or lower the drive assembly until the shaft of the drive motor and the shaft of the drive bar are at the same level. Once the alignment is made, tighten the locking handle. Next, insert the shaft of the drive bar into the remaining end of the drive shaft and tighten the set screw in the drive shaft onto the flat on the shaft of the drive bar. Always remember that the misalignment between the shaft and the hub must be kept to 3 inches or less. Should height be a problem, consult your instruction manual for special height applications. Before using the power drive, make sure the Kwik-Lathe and power feed are set up properly and ready to operate. Plug the power feed into the receptacle on the switch side of the drive motor assembly. You'll notice that there are 2 toggle switches on the drive motor assembly. The upper switch applies power to the motor and to the receptacle, while the lower switch controls the direction of the rotation. The direction of rotation is viewed from the shaft end of the motor. With the switch in the up position, the motor shaft turns counterclockwise, and in the down position, the motor shaft turns clockwise. Remember, the rotor must always turn into the cutting edge of the tool bits. Once the direction of rotation is determined, turn the power drive on. Be sure to wear OSHA-approved safety glasses during all cutting operations. Now we are ready to adjust each of the cutting tools so the tool bits lightly scratch the rotor surface. Turn the hand wheel so the tool bits clear the inside diameter of the rotor, then adjust each side 1 mark on the dial. This will be the equivalent of 2 thousandths on each side. Hold cuts to no more than 6 thousandths per side, then a light finish cut can be made at the end if a smoother finish is desired. Now lock the tool holders in place, engage and activate the power feed, and the tool bits will automatically cut the rotor to a smooth finished surface. It may be necessary to adjust and rerun to clean deep grooves. However, care should be taken not to exceed manufacturer's specifications. After the tool bits clear the outside edge of the rotor, turn off the power feed and power drive. Now you can turn the rotor on the opposite side of the vehicle. Leave the mounting links attached to the Kwik-Lathe as the mounting is the same on both sides. The Kwik-Lathe may mount and operate upside down. Remember, however, that the rotor rotation must turn into the tool bits, so the drive direction may have to be reversed. When machining is completed and the unit removed, reinstall the calipers and wheels. Torque according to manufacturer's specifications. Some installations may require special setups or adapters. Consult the instruction manual for special applications. When the job is completed, clean the unit free of dust and chips and store in a suitable place. Use only dry lubricant for lubrication. Oils will accumulate dust and chips, possibly binding the threads in the feed duct. Should you have any problems or additional questions, please contact your Kwik-Way representative or the manufacturer, KW Products, in Marion, Iowa.